Hello, thank you so much for joining me. I'm really glad you've taken this course. I'm going to be your guide for the next few hours, and I can't wait to spend the time with you. Hope we get along. But before I start, I just wanted to quickly go over the title with you. So this course, you've probably seen this on the lead up to this video, but this course is called Record Voice Like a Pro, the complete guide to recording speech at home. So let's break that down. By the end of this course, you will quite literally be able to record voice like a pro. So I'm going to tell you the methods and the techniques and the tips that professionals use to record speech and dialogue in a studio environment, except we can achieve just as good results at home using affordable equipment and some kind of sneaky tricks using free stuff from around your home. It's also a complete guide. So even if you've never recorded a voice before or never used a microphone, that's absolutely fine. We go from the very basics. We start simple and we build from the ground up. On the other end of the scale, even if you have made loads of recordings with a microphone, or you have a podcast, or you make online courses, that's great because you'll have a even better understanding by the end. Please don't skip the explanation videos because you'll have a better understanding of equalization and noise gating, etc. And by the end, you'll go from complete beginner to complete pro. And I want to emphasize the fact that we're recording at home as well. This isn't a studio environment. What you're hearing right now has been recorded at home. Unfortunately, we don't cover location recording, as in recording sound outdoors and when you're filming in weird environments. This is just for recording at home. But by the end of this, you'll be able to pick any room in your house or wherever you want to record and make it sound absolutely great with the equipment that you've already got.